If you're looking to retire early, you may think you need a lot of money saved up, but that's not always the case. There are plenty of ways to retire sooner than you thought possible, even if you don't have a lot of money saved. Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about how to retire early with little money. Check out these tips and see how you can start planning for your early retirement today. First, live below your means. This is one of the most important things you can do if you want to retire early. You must ensure that your spending is less than your income to save as much money as possible. One way to live below your means is to track your spending and determine where you can cut back. There are many ways to do this, but a straightforward way is to use a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB. Second, invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. It can be anything from taking courses and learning new skills to investing in your health by eating healthy and exercising regularly. When you invest in yourself, you are increasing your chances of being able to retire early because you are making yourself more valuable. This means that you can earn more money and save more money. Third, investing in index funds is how to retire early with little money. Investing in index funds is a great way to grow your money without having to pick individual stocks. Index funds track a basket of stocks or other securities, so you get diversification without having to do research yourself. There are many different index funds, but some of the most popular ones are S&P 500 index funds, which track the 500 largest companies in the US stock market. There are also international index funds, which track stocks from all over the world. Fourth, save your money. Saving money is one of the most important things you can do if you want to retire early. You must ensure you put away as much money as possible to save enough for retirement. One way to save your money is to use a high-yield savings account. These accounts earn interest on your balance, so you can grow your savings without doing anything else. Next, make extra income. Making extra income is a great way to accelerate your path to early retirement. There are many ways to make extra income, but some of the most popular are side hustles and real estate investing. Side hustles are any kind of gig that you can do on the side to make extra money. This can be anything from driving for Uber to selling products on Etsy. Investing in real estate is another great way to make extra income. You can buy properties and rent them out or flip houses and sell them for a profit. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Sixth, live a simple life is how to retire early with little money. One of the best ways to retire early is to live a simple life. This means getting rid of unnecessary expenses and living as frugally as possible. One way to live a simple life is to downsize your home. This means getting rid of any extra rooms you don't need and selling unnecessary furniture. You can also save money by getting rid of your car and taking public transportation. Another way to live a simple life is to cut back on spending. This means eating out less, shopping at thrift stores, and avoiding unnecessary purchases. Seventh, on how to retire early with little money is to have a plan. It's essential to have a plan when you are trying to retire early. This means knowing how much money you need to save and when you want to retire. One way to create a retirement plan is to use a retirement calculator. This will help you figure out how much money you need to save based on your age, lifestyle, and other factors. Once you have a retirement plan, it's essential to stick to it. This means ensuring you save as much money as possible and do not withdraw from your retirement account. Eighth, stay disciplined. Staying disciplined is one of the most important things you can do if you want to retire early. This means sticking to your budget, investing regularly, and avoiding unnecessary purchases. One way to stay disciplined is to set up a system that works for you. This might mean setting up automatic transfers into your savings account or using a budgeting app to track your spending. Another way to stay disciplined is to have someone hold you accountable. This can be a friend or family member who checks in on you regularly or a financial advisor who can help you stay on track. Ninth, invest in passive income. Investing in passive income is a great way to accelerate your path to early retirement. Passive income is any kind of investment that produces income without you having to work. Some examples of passive income include investing in rental properties, dividend stocks, and peer-to-peer lending. These investments can provide you with a steady stream of income that can help you reach your financial goals. 10th, Have a backup plan is how to retire early with little money. One of the most important things you can do when trying to retire early is to have a backup plan. This means having an emergency fund you can tap into if you need it. An emergency fund should be enough to cover your expenses for 3 to 6 months. This will help you protect your bills if you lose your job or have a medical emergency. You should also consider having long-term disability insurance. This will provide you with an income if you cannot work due to an injury or illness. Then, stay the course. The most important thing you can do if you want to retire early is to stay the course. This means sticking to your plan even when it gets tricky. There will be times when you feel like giving up, but it's essential to keep going. If you stick to your plan and are disciplined, you can retire early and enjoy a financial free life. There's no need to wait until you're 65 to retire. You can do it now and start enjoying your life today. Finally, don't forget to enjoy your life. Retiring early doesn't mean that you have to stop enjoying your life. You can still travel, spend time with family and friends, and pursue hobbies. What it means is that you must be mindful of your spending. This means living below your means and being careful with your money. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to retiring early. Remember to take one step at a time and stay disciplined. With a bit of planning, you can make your dream of early retirement a reality. While retiring early is possible for those with little money, it's not easy. You can do several things to make the process easier and help ensure a comfortable retirement. If you're ready to retire early on a limited budget, follow these tips and be prepared for hard work and discipline. How much money do you need to retire? What steps have you taken to reach your retirement goals? Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.